Yep. Thank you. So I have 5 minutes talk. So I have many hands, but my hands are usually holding another hand. So, so please excuse me. So first of all, my name is SangHo. I'm a CEO and founder of a company called Mandro. In South Korean word, Mandro means to make. So in Korean words, hey, Mandro means that make something like that. So that we are making an affordable or low-cost 3D printed prosthetic device. This is what I have now. So that this is a below elbow amputation. People with the amputation, they use this socket and they use this hand, and this is functioning like this way. So that each finger has a sensor and actuator there, and then people have the muscle signal so that they control this like that way. The reason why we are so addicted for this project is because there are too many. Just some place. It's not. Okay. There are too many unnecessary amputees coming from the conflict zones. For example, if you see Syria, Iraq, or Yemen, there are millions of injured people because of the conflict or war, international the conflict. And you can see that statistics tells that more than 100,000 people, they newly amputated because of unnecessary war and then corruption of a building, so that more casualties coming, but still the living people, they don't have the arms or legs. And that is the kind of current situation. But unfortunately, the current status of the art, of the technology, is not affordable anyway for the people. So if you see the price, how much does it cost for the below elbow robotic prosthesis? Around $40,000 per hand. That is not affordable anyway. And if you see above elbow cases, then $100,000 per case. So just the kind of a huge cost, only 0.1% in the worldwide they can afford for the robotic prosthesis since in 2015. And that's the reason why we made our mission like that way. Make it affordable anyway. So that affordable means like a smartphone price, not the price cars outside, but making $1,000 as a maximum. And then we developed since January 2015, and then since I'm a big fan of Iron Man stuff, so that Mark 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this way, we developed one by one incremental way. And since in 2015, and 1 year and 6 months later, we were able to release our first product in South Korean market here in Korea under the price of a smartphone, $1,000. And thank you. I should make this way, but oh, not this one, sorry. Yeah. Anyhow, so but thanks to Korean aid agency called KOICA, so that we were able to release our technology and solutions to the people in need in Middle East since early of 2017, and then we donated 400 hands, and we actually delivered to 150 users in around Jordan. Mostly war victims, war-wounded people, and 50% were Syrian refugees actually. And also for the long-term business, we made our business entity in Jordan, in Amman. And in the meantime, since we faced a lot of amputations, more than 200 cases, and then we need to speed up the process of manufacturing custom socket, so that also we wanted to reduce the cost as much as possible, and then so that we started to utilize that low-cost solutions like iPad attachable 3D scanner, which costs only $400, and one laptop computer, and one low-cost 3D printer, a $300 you can buy from China, so that I can pack up everything in the one big carrier. Then I can go anywhere in the world with the electricity. Then, so that this is one video which is describing how we work. So that I'm now using a 3D scanner, so that low-cost scanner, and then make a 360-degree scanning, and then just 1 day later, I can fit with the customer, and the user, amputees like that way. Thank you. So now the boy is now learning how to use his muscle signal to control this hand, like what I did before. And then I asked them to use actually holding a cup of water, drinking something, writing, and do something for their life like that. So can I just continue at the end of this video? I already finished. that in this way, we are not only assisting people's life, but also we provide a little bit of confidence that, yeah. Like, actually, he's a taekwondo player, so that he's making a martial art like that. He used to be. And also, we are not only donating directly, but also we give the advice and technical training for the local people, so that we make with the local social material and then local maintenance. Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.